Welcome to all of you. Today we discuss on basic theorems on Boolean algebra from discrete mathematics. Already we have discussed all these in the previous lecture. Today we discuss on principle of duality, then come to the topic some theorems on Boolean algebra. The principle of duality states that if a Boolean expression or identity is valid, its dual is also valid. The dual is obtained by interchanging the binary operations and identity elements. That means to find the dual of an expression, perform the following steps: this plus to dot or dot to plus, 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. The complement of a variable a dash remains unchanged in the dual. The distributive law has two forms that are duals of each other. This a dot bracket b plus c equal to a dot b bracket plus bracket a dot c. So its dual form is this. We write here plus in place of dot. So a plus bracket b dot c, this is b dot c, equal to bracket a plus b, this a plus b, put plus in place of dot, dot bracket a plus c. Very important principle, duality principle. We use this duality principle uh, to prove the theorems of basic theorems on Boolean algebra. Theorem idempotent laws. For any element A belongs to the Boolean algebra B, A plus A equal to A dot A equal to A. First we prove this. Part 1, A plus A equal to A plus A dot 1, because by the identity x dot 1 equal to x, so we can write this. So this A plus A dot 1 equal to A plus A. Next, write the complement law, x plus x dot dash equal to 1. So in place of 1, we write here a plus a dash. Next, applying distributivity. So this a plus bracket a dot a dash. From this, we can write this a plus a dot a plus a dash. Next, applying complement law, x dot x dash equal to 0. So this a dot a dash equal to 0, and then a plus 0 equal to a by the identity law, x plus 0 equal to x, or all x belongs to Boolean algebra. Next, for proving this part 2, a dot a equal to a, we use the principle of duality. So interchanging dot and plus, so a dot a is equal to a by the principle of duality. So a dot a equal to a for all a belongs to Boolean algebra. Next theorem, boundedness or null laws. For any element A belongs to Boolean algebra B, A plus 1 equal to 1, A dot 0 equal to 0. Proof of 1, A plus 1 equal to A plus 1 dot 1, using the identity law, x dot 1 equal to x. Now, in place of 1, we write A plus A dash using complement law. So this, and by distributivity, a plus bracket 1 dot a dash. Next, using identity, 1 dot a dash equal to a dash, this 1 dot x equal to x. So a plus a dash equal to 1. For proof 2, applying the principle of duality, A dot 0 in place of 1, we put here 0. So by the principle of duality, so A dot 0 equal to 0. Next theorem, absorption laws for any elements A, comma B belongs to Boolean algebra B. Number 1, A plus bracket A dot B equal to A. Number 2, A dot bracket A plus B equal to A. Proof of 1, A plus bracket A dot B. Now we write A equal to A dot 1 by identity and A dot 1 plus A dot B. Again applying distributivity, A dot bracket 1 plus B, because x dot y plus x dot z equal to x dot y plus z. So this, and 1 plus b by the boundedness law, 1 plus x equal to 1. So we can write 1 plus b equal to 1. So A dot 1 equal to A by identity law, x dot 1 equal to x. So first part is proved. For the second part, using the principle of duality, interchanging plus and dot. So put here dot and here plus. So A dot A bracket A plus B equal to A. Next theorem, involution law, the complement of a complement is the original element. That means A dash whole dash equal to A for any element A belongs to Boolean algebra B. By the definition of complement, A dash is the unique element such that A dash plus A dash equals to 1 and A dash dot A dash equal to 0 by the definition of complement. So by the definition of complement, this A dash, so A dash, so A dash plus A dash equal to 1. However, by the commutative laws and complement laws for A, we already know is A dash plus A equal to A plus A dash equal to 1 and A dash dot A equal to A dot A dash equal to 0. Since the element A satisfies the two conditions required to be complement of A dash, and since the complement of any element in Boolean algebra is unique, it follows that, so because here A dash plus this element equal to 1, again here A dash plus A equal to 1. So obviously this A dash equals to A. Again from this A dash dot A dash equals to 0. Here from here A dash dot A equals to 0. So obviously this A dash equals to A. So we get the result A dash equal to A for any element A belongs to Boolean algebra B. Next theorem, associative laws. For any elements A, B, C belongs to Boolean algebra B. Number 1, bracket A plus B plus C equal to A plus bracket B plus C. Number 2, bracket A dot B dot C equal to A dot bracket B dot C. Let this expression from 1, left hand side is L, A bracket A plus B equal to C, and right hand side equal to R, A plus bracket B plus C. Now we prove A dot L equal to A dot R for the element A, for any element A. So A dot L equal to A dot, value of L is this, bracket A plus B plus C. So A dot A plus B plus A dot C by distributivity this. So we get by absorption law A dot bracket A plus B equal to A, we know. So we get this equal to A dot A plus B equal to A, and this A dot C is A dot C. Again applying absorption law, A dot plus bracket A dot C equal to A, hence A plus A dot C equal to A. So A dot L equal to A. Next proof, A dot R equal to A dot, this R is this, A plus bracket B plus C. So A dot this, A plus something, this is the absorption law, A dot bracket A plus X equal to A. So this is the X. So this is equal to A. So we get A dot L equal to A dot R equal to A for element A belongs to Boolean algebra B. Next step 2, we prove A dash dot L equal to A dash dot R. So A dash dot L is this, A dash dot bracket value of L is this, bracket A plus B plus C, and A dash dot bracket A plus B plus A dash dot C, distributivity property. And again we get this by again applying distributive property, A dot A plus A dash dot B plus this A dash dot C. So this A dash dot A equal to 0 by complement law, and this A dot A dash dot B and A dash dot C. You must use this bracket, this, and this 0 plus this equals to A dash dot B bracket plus bracket A dot C. And next, A dash dot R equal to A dash dot R is this bracket A plus bracket B plus C. So by distributivity, A dash dot A plus A dash dot B plus C, and A dash dot A equal to 0 by complement law, and this A dash dot B plus C. So 0 plus this equals to this. So this is the identity law. This A dash dot bracket B plus C. Again applying distributivity, A dash dot B plus A dash dot C. So we get this A dash dot L. So here from here A dash dot L equal to this and A dash dot R equal to this. So clearly A dash dot L equal to A dash dot R. Now we have proved this A dash dot L equal to A dot R and A dash dot L equal to A dash dot R. Then L equal to this A plus A dash dot L, because A plus A dash is 1. So 1 dot L is L, and this by distributivity A dot L bracket plus A dash dot L, and A dash A dot L is A dash A dot R by this, and A dash dot L equal to A dash dot R. So again applying distributivity, bracket A plus A dash dot R equal to R. Hence L equal to R. Therefore bracket A plus B plus C equal to A plus bracket B plus C. And the second law, but number 2, applying by the principle of duality, we get A dot B bracket dot C equal to A dot bracket B dot C. This is the second proof is this. Next, very important laws, De Morgan's law. De Morgan's laws for any elements A comma B belongs to Boolean algebra B, bracket A plus B whole dash equal to A dash dot B dash. Number 2, A dot B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. Now, we prove bracket A plus B plus bracket A dash dot B dash equal to 1. This A plus B bracket A plus B plus bracket A dash dot B dash equal to, by distributivity, A plus B plus A dash dot, this dot, A plus B plus B dash. Now by commutativity and associativity, we get A plus A dash plus B, because we get A plus B equal to B plus A, and by associativity this B plus bracket A plus A dash, and again applying commutativity, A plus A dash bracket plus B, and similarly from this part we get A plus B plus B dash. Now A plus B dash is 1 by complement law, plus B dot A plus B plus B dash is 1. So this 1 plus B is 1, boundedness law, and A plus 1 equal to 1. So 1 dot 1 equal to 1, identity law. So we get this A plus B bracket plus bracket A dash dot B dash equal to 1. Next we prove bracket A plus B dot bracket A dash dot B dash equal to 0. Now this bracket A plus B dot bracket A dash dot B dash equal to by distributivity A dot A dash dot B dash bracket A dot this plus B dot this B dot bracket A dash dot B dash. Applying commutativity and associativity, we get A dot A dash dot B dash and A dash dot bracket B dot B dash. Now A dot A dash equal to 0 by complement law and B dot B dash equal to 0. So 0 dot B dash is 0, A dash dot 0 is 0 by boundedness law. So 0 plus 0 is 0 by identity law. Since both conditions are satisfied by the uniqueness of complement, A plus B whole dash equal to A dash dot B dash. From the first part, we get this element plus this element is A plus B plus something equal to 1. And here A plus B dot something equal to 0. So obviously, by the complement law, this element A dash dot B dash must be the complement of A plus B. So we can write A plus B whole dash equal to A dash dot B dash. Proof of 2 by the principle of duality, interchanging dot and plus. So A dot B whole dash equal to A dash dot B dash, A dash plus B dash. So this is the second De Morgan's law. Or any elements A comma B belongs to Boolean algebra B. Next theorem, uniqueness of complement. In a Boolean algebra B, the complement A dash belongs to B of any element A belongs to B is unique. Let us suppose there are two distinct complements X and Y. So of the element A. So A plus X equal to 1 and A dot X equal to 0. Similarly, if Y is a complement of A plus Y equal to 1 and A dot Y equal to 0. Now we want to show X equal to Y to the following steps. Now X equal to, we can write X dot 1, identity law. This one A plus Y, because A plus Y equal to 1. So X dot bracket A plus Y. And next, distributive law, X dot A plus X dot Y. Then commutative law, this A dot X plus X dot Y. Now A dot X equal to 0, because this A dot X equal to 0. So put here A dot X equal to 0 and X dot Y. A dot 0, this you can write in place of 0, A dot Y. Due to our assumption, A dot Y equal to 0. So we write A dot Y equal to 0 plus X dot Y. Again, applying distributive law, A plus X dot Y. This A plus X equal to 1. Due to our assumption, A plus X equal to 1. This 1 dot Y. This equal to 1 by identity law. So X equal to Y. Since we have shown that X equal to Y, so we conclude that complement of any element in a Boolean algebra is unique. This unique element is typically denoted by A dash. So A dash is the unique complement of the element A. Thank you for watching this.